Why is it that products made by Cochlear are award-winning and lead the market in reliability? With over 40 years behind us, Cochlear is the leader in implantable hearing solutions. We provide more hearing implants than all the other implantable companies combined, giving us the experience and data to continuously develop more advanced and more reliable products.
People choose Cochlear because we are a pioneer and we produce highest quality products.
Everybody focused on such a noble goal means that people collaborate more, they are more excited to come to work, that there's a real spirit of giving in the office.
Our focus on engineering and manufacturing excellence means that a product made by Cochlear is always a quality product.
We have the best talents in engineering, in research, in operator. We have common goals to achieve something that we're passionate about.
We have a global research and development division of more than 300 highly skilled engineers whose knowledge is exceeded only by their passion for making life better for you, our customers.
I think the difference really is the people that work here. I mean, there's some phenomenally clever people. Everyone's out here not for their own gain. I think most people are here to really make a change and really help improve people's lives.
To ensure we remain on the leading edge of technology and hearing care, we have invested more than $2 billion Australian dollars into research and development to date, and invest more than any other hearing implant company each year.
Made by Cochlear means to me that the product was made by a fantastic group of engineers from various R&D locations all around the world.
It means working with an incredibly smart group of people and having the same goal of making life better for recipients.
Our implants and sound processors are manufactured in 6 state-of-the-art sites around the world, with each facility fully operated by Cochlear and producing products which meet the same high global standards.
Quality underpins the choices that we make and what we do at Cochlear because it really drives the design decisions.
We set the standard in reliability, reflecting our exceptional product design, world-class manufacturing and extensive testing.
At Cochlear we have very strict procedures because that ensures the high quality of the product.
We're very proud to maintain a high standard of quality here at Cochlear.
That's why when you choose a product made by Cochlear, you choose a quality product every time.